Today, we are going to demonstrate in our webinar on how to create an open-ended question on our Tuition Near Me EdTech platform. There's a lot of things on our platform, so I just need you to focus on the header menu bar at the top of our platform and look for the tab, Login. Once you locate the tab, Login, I want you to try to click on the Login option, Instructor. This will bring you to the instructor dashboard, and I want you to find the option, Create a new course. It is located at the right side of the dashboard. Clicking it will bring you to the course creation page. Now, go ahead and give your course a title. Next, scroll down and find the header, Course Builder. Under the header is the option, Add New Topic. I want you to click on the button, Add New Topic. Give your topic a name and a summary. After that, click on the button, Add Topic. Go back to the header, Course Builder. Now, we have a new header, Testing. There are several options under this header. And now, click on the button, Quiz. Give your quiz a title and a summary. Once ready, click on the button, Save and Next. Click on the button, Add Question. Write your question in the space given. OK, next, go to the section, select your question type and choose the option, Open-ended. Confirm that it is open-ended. And for this type of question, no option is necessary for this answer type. So, just click on the button, Add to Question. Then, click on the button, Save and Next. Now, scroll down and look for Advanced Settings. Expand this option and scroll all the way down. You can set character limits for short answers and also for open-ended questions. You can try to change the character limits for open-ended. After that, students will place the answer in the open-ended question type within this character limit. Now, click the button, Save and Next. Let's preview our question, so click on the button, Preview. Scroll all the way down and click on the button, Enroll Now. Go back to the course creation page and click the button, Preview again. Now, scroll all the way down again and click on the button, Start Learning. Click on the button, Start Quiz. Okay, now, I will try to write a demonstration answer in the space given. Notice that, as I am writing my answer, the tab, Character Remaining, is decreasing. It keeps on decreasing as I write more. This helps your student to pace and keep their answers within the set limit. Once ready, click on the button, Submit Quiz. Check the score tabulation. And you'll see that the result is pending. Now, let's go back to the instructor dashboard and click on the option Quiz Attempts. Look for the question that needs to be graded. And click on the button, Review. Check the given answer, and if everything's okay, just click on the green tick button. This changes the pending status to correct status. You can provide your feedback in the given space. Then click on the button, Update. Go back to the score tabulation page, and the student will see the final score, plus the feedback, if there's any. Thank you for attending today's webinar, and we look forward to seeing you again.